Good evening, good day. We'd like to say hi to all of the wonderful little boys and girls all over the world. Today we will be reading Little Penguin Gets the Hiccups by Tad Bentley. Let's get started. Oh, hello. It's nice to meet you. Franklin said you would be here soon. I wonder if you might be able to help me. You may have noticed that I got a terrible case of the hiccups. It's driving me cuckoo. It all started last week on chili night. I'm not sure how many penguins you know, but let me give you some advice. Never give chili to a penguin. It gives us hiccups. I can't get rid of them. Frederick told me to stand on my head. Chester told me to drink backwards from a cup. Albert told me to stand on my head while drinking backwards from a cup. Ugh. Nothing works. But Franklin has given me a new idea, and I need your help. Apparently, giving someone a good scare is the surest, bestest way to cure hiccups. So I need you to scare me. But I don't really like being scared, so be nice. You're going to say boo on 3. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Boo! Is that it? Let's try again louder. This time. 1, 2, 3. Boo! Pretty scary. Maybe that cured my... Oh. Ah! I will have the hiccups forever. One more time. Shout. Go crazy. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Roar! Franklin! What on earth are you doing? You told me to stand here and wait for a good scare, and then you go and jump out on me, so now my feathers are all wet. My mom will go bonkers because she just washed these the other day. Now I'll have to wait until I'm all ready to scare again. Hey. Hold on 1 second. My hiccups! They're gone! Oh, thank you ever so much. Let's celebrate with a nice spicy taco. Oh no. The end. Oh no, I have the hiccups. This book is really good for telling us that you shouldn't give chili to a penguin, because then they will have the hiccups. Oh my goodness. Well, thank you, boys and girls, for joining us today as we read this wonderful little book about penguins and hiccups. Remember to go through the book and take a look at all the wonderful drawings of the penguin and the icebergs and the killer whale, also known as Franklin. And remember to count 1, 2, 3, and scare yourself when you have a hiccup. Maybe that will cure it. Maybe not. So good morning, good evening, good day. Thank you, friends. We'll see you again soon. Take care. Bye-bye.